So now this is question 4, and we're going to have to use partial fraction decomposition just to break this down, this function. We don't need to evaluate the constants, so let's go ahead and do this. So let's first go ahead and, first we can notice that the numerator says 4x squared minus 2x squared plus x. So we can rewrite, 4x squared minus 2x squared, that's 2x squared plus x. So we can rewrite the denominator as that. So 2x squared plus x, and we have x plus 1, x squared minus 1 squared, and x squared plus x plus 1 in our denominator. Okay, so the first thing to do is break down our denominator. So x squared minus 1 squared. This x squared minus 1 squared is equal to x minus 1 squared, x plus 1 squared, because we know this x squared minus 1 is a perfect square. And so since we have, since it's to the power of 2, that's why we have it to the power of 2. So that's that. What about this expression? Well, we can go ahead and we can try factoring it. Our product would be 1, our sum would be 1. So yeah, you can't really factor this. So we'd have to leave that as is. So let's rewrite a denominator now. So we have x plus 1, x minus 1 squared, x plus 1 squared, x squared plus x plus 1. And so you can notice that we can just group these since they're the same thing anyways. So we can group those, and that will give us x minus 1 squared, x plus 1 cubed, x squared plus x plus 1. And so now we can actually, since we've simplified our denominator as much as we can now go ahead and do our partial fraction decomposition. Just copy this down. This is going to be quite long. Let's make this a little smaller. So first, it is going to be equal to a over x minus 1, so plus b x minus 1 squared plus c x plus 1, and we're gonna have to do this 2 more times, plus d x plus 1 squared sorry, let me just rewrite that nicer, plus e, which is x plus 1 cubed. Then we've now knocked both of these down. We just left with this. And so we can write then plus a, b, c, d, e, f. Oh, wait, hold on. There is a squared there. That is very important. Oh, that is a mistake. There. So we'll have fx plus g now. And that is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. And then finally, at last, hx plus I, and that is going to be x squared plus x plus 1 squared. And so these up here are just constants that we can solve, and that would be the partial fraction decomposition of that function.